So I'm going to teach you guys how to run a quick diagnosis on your car. You can easily tell what may be wrong with your vehicle just by looking at the kind of emission or the kind of smoke that comes out from your exhaust pipe. All right, you notice that your car is smoking, or you've seen cars that different kind, you see different colors of smoke. You see white smoke, you see blue smoke, you see black smoke coming out from your or people's exhaust pipes. Now, this is what it actually means when you see such emissions. Now, number one on our list is black smoke. If you notice black smoke coming out from your vehicle, that simply means that your car is burning too much fuel. Now, it's a term that is called running rich. It means that your car na big boy. Your car they chop buffet. Now you use fuel, they do buffet inside your car. You understand? Like, it means that something is disrupting the air fuel mixture. And there are several factors that can actually cause it. It might be a bad airflow meter, a bad airflow sensor. It could be your coil could be bad and the car might be misfiring. That could also cost it. Your plugs as well. Or maybe Kazim don't go thief your catalytic converter, go carry sponge there, put inside for you. So when you notice black smoke coming out from your exhaust pipe, it means your car is consuming too much fuel. All right. So number 2 on our list is white smoke. Now, if you notice white smoke coming out from your exhaust pipe, that is not a good sign. It actually indicates that your coolant is being burnt in your engine, and it means that something is drastically wrong with your car. Now, this could lead to, or this could be caused by a blown gasket and could lead to overheating of your engine. And you know, say if your engine overheats, let's say na knock, if you knock, you know how much engine be. Anyway, if your engine knock, you can always hit me up. I'll hook you up with correct brand new engines. Yes. Number 3 on our list is blue smoke. Now, blue smoke coming out from your exhaust pipe means that your car is burning oil. So maybe some oil has leaked into the combustion chamber and is burning alongside with the fuel. And indications for this kind of situation is that you're going to realize that your car will be misfiring, or while your car is sitting idle, it will be shaking. So they do shaky daddy. So either ways, just once you notice blue smoke coming out from your exhaust pipe, just know that your car is burning oil alongside with fuel, and your oil will be dry. It's not a good one. So number 4 and the last one on our list is gray smoke. Now, in some cases it might be a little bit bluish, but when gray smoke comes out from your exhaust pipe, just know that your car is definitely burning oil in the combustion chamber. Now, this is caused basically by leaky valves or a bad piston. Your piston rings are bad. So once you notice this, you know that something is wrong with your engine and have it fixed ASAP. Otherwise, your engine will knock. And if you knock, like I said, you just call the number on your screen. I could help you fix them. What am I here for? Am I not your friend again? Am I not your friend again? Anyways, that's your car tip for today. Make sure you follow me for more tips and stop driving boring cars.